Okay, Google. What animal says kokak?
This is a hissing alligator.
What the f? Okay, okay. Welcome to another unboxing thing from YouTube's. Today we're unboxing Google Home Mini. I ordered this from Lazada 1111. I got it for 1,999. So the price is still the same. So this is the Google Home Mini. It's a Google Home Assistant thingamabob. Um, the box is sadly like super flat. When I got it, it was super bloated and it smelled nice. Now it doesn't smell like anything anymore. So sad life. Okay, Google Home Mini Charcoal. There's a pull tab here. Hiya! Oh yeah, that feels so good when that works out. Ooh, look at that. Focus. There we go. Boink. Oh what? The thing on the bottom is orange. Yeah. 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 All right, let's get started. Let's get it started. Oh, nice, like super packaging, really. USB cable. Ooh, what? Oh, look at this! Oh, what? How many amps? 5 volts, 1.8 amps. Dude, this is a pretty good charger. 1.8 amps. It looks really nice, cute. But I don't like the fact that it occupies an entire socket slot. Maybe I'll just use a USB cable. Let's get it started. Google. Plug it in. Connect the power adapter to your Google Home Mini. Get the app. Alright, let's take a closer look at this using our macro focus. There's our Google Home Mini. There's the material. On the bottom is a G logo. What is that? What does that say? Model something made in China. And then we have the micro USB port. It seems the mute switch. Nothing else. Okay, let's plug it in. Hiya!
A few moments later.
Okay, Google. Set volume to half. Okay, Google. Set volume to maximum. Okay, Google. Who is Donald Trump?
According to Wikipedia, Donald John Trump is the 45th and current President of the United States. Before entering politics, he was a businessman and television personality.
Okay, Google. How old is he?
He's 72 years old.
Okay, Google. What time is it?
2:26.
Okay, Google. What's the weather like?
Right now in Quezon City it's 26 and clear. On Thursday, it'll be mostly sunny, with a high of 32 and a low of 24.
Okay, Google. What's my schedule?
There's one entry this week. On Saturday, at 10 p.m., you have Big Time Show Na.
Okay, Google. How much is 150 Kuwaiti dinar?
150 Kuwaiti dinars is approximately 26,023 Philippine pesos and 81 centavos.
Okay, Google. Play Spotify.
Sure, here's some music on Spotify.
Okay, Google. 30% volume. Okay, Google. Next track, please. Okay, Google. 75% volume. Okay, Google. Play Spotify on TV.
Okay, music from Spotify. Playing on Alex TV.
Okay, Google. Next song. Okay, Google. Play Never Gonna Give You Up on YouTube.
Alright, Never Gonna Give You Up from YouTube. Playing on Alex TV.
Okay, Google. Pause. Okay, Google. Play Never Gonna Give You Up on speaker.
Never Gonna Give You Up by Rick Astley. Sure. Playing on Spotify.
Okay, Google. What's the power level of Son Goku?
Sorry, I'm not sure how to help.
Okay, Google. Who is better, Siri or Google Assistant?
Here's a summary from the website Quora.com. After Apple's Siri trend, Google too has developed its own voice recognition assistant that is no less
Okay,
than
Google.
Siri.
Stop. I don't care.
That's okay.
Okay, Google. How are you today?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. What can I help you with?
What's your name?
Did I forget to introduce myself? I'm your Google Assistant. Hi.
Okay, Google. Can I give you an actual name?
A wise person once said, change comes from within. I'll let my team know you're interested in changing my name.
Okay, Google. I love you.
You're pretty swell yourself.
Okay, Google. Are you spying on me?
Your security comes first in everything Google does. It's important Google keeps your data private and safe and puts you in control. You can learn more at privacy.google.com.
Okay, Google. Are you stealing my data?
Your security comes first in everything Google does.
Okay, Google,
It's
stop.
A few moments later.
Okay, mga kuya, that's an interesting little foray into the Google Home. The Google Home Mini for 2,000 pesos or about $50 in the United States, but since this is what, $40 converted, around less than 30, like around $35 actually. That's actually quite affordable for the Google Home Mini. The audio quality is, well, I still prefer my TV, for example. I think it's a nice little addition to your RIP or privacy kind of technologies, right? I like the fact that I can control my TV. I can match it to my Spotify account, play Spotify on my speaker, play Spotify on my TV. I can set up multiple devices, Google Home Minis. So we can also broadcast messages. So, for example, if you have a family member from downstairs could say, hey, tawagan, kakain na, broadcast, right? So that's not bad. So since I can turn off those lights if I have the proper, smart equipment that is compatible with Google Home. So some very interesting technologies. So worth experimenting with unless you're very, very scared about your privacy, which is hard to do. Hard to be very much more private than today, especially with all our smartphones and Facebook. Everybody shares stuff on Facebook. They're not careful. Anyway, guys, that's it for me. Thanks for watching. That's our unboxing of the Google Home Mini. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.